In this video, I will walk you through about tracking your ads using an ad tracker. Right now, I'm using Adtrackz.com, or the Adtrackz software, which can be bought from Adtrackz.com, and this is one of the most popular ad tracking tools in the market right now. And there are two types of ad tracking tools. One is hosted version, and then the other one is the one that you can install on your own script, on your own server. And the one that you are seeing right now is the one which is being installed on my own server. So I bought the third party ad tracking tool so that it can be installed on my server. And the other one is hosted version. That means a service or a company which uh, offer ad tracking services using their own domain name. That means if you use a hosted version, you'll be using their own domain name, and you will also be using the services uh, where the script and the system resides on their server instead of your server. So one thing good about using a hosted version is you don't have to handle all the technical aspects of installing the script and maintaining the script on the server. Whereas for ad tracking tool or ad tracking script which can be installed on your server like this one, we have to manage our own. We have to install the script, we have to manage on how to deal with script problems on the server. But the main advantage of using an ad tracking script on your own server is that you have total full control over all the things which are in the system. It's easy to backup, it's easy to restore, and it's easy to move from one server to another server. And the best part is it also helps to promote your own domain name. Like you can see right now, this Adtrackz script is being installed on this domain name, which is on my server. So it helps to advertise our own domain name or our own website. So that's the main advantage. So now let's proceed. So ad tracking basically is we create a link, a redirect link, where once we click on the redirect link, it will redirect to another website which we desire. As you can see, I'm going to tinyurl.com. This is a very popular service, a free service. Like if you have a very long URL to promote, for example affiliate programs, normally you will get a very long affiliate link. So if you want to shorten it, you just go to this service tinyurl.com, type in the URL over here, and just click on the make tiny URL button here, and they will give you a very short URL like this. So in other words, whoever clicks on this link will be redirected to the long link which we specify over here. So same thing as the ad tracking tool, we will put in a very long link. It doesn't have to be long, but it doesn't necessarily be long, but it's just the link that you want to track. So if you are promoting an affiliate program, or you are promoting your own products and you want to test the conversion rates, that means you want to test how well does the sales letter convert, how well does the product convert, or how well does the product sell. So you use an ad tracking for you to test. So now let us proceed to creating our first campaign. You can go to this link, click on add new. It's taking quite some time. Okay, the page has appeared. You see add code. Just write any code that you want, up to 100 letters and or digits only. So let's say it's test 1 2 3, and let's say the URL that we want to track is let's say I'm doing a test purchase here, test/purchase.html. The group, I haven't created any groups. purpose, it's good to choose click, actions and sales, so you can choose from here whether you just want to track the click, or you want to track clicks and actions, or all three, whether you want to split test. And the cost of the this ad tracking, or this campaign, that means for some people they sometimes use pay per click services, where they pay a few cents for every clicks, or a few dollars for every clicks. So to them, they use this kind of redirect links, or they use ad tracker links to check on their conversion. So for them, they normally have a cost over here. So for this test tutorial, we won't be doing any. So you can choose the cost type, whether it's PPC, recurring, or how many days repeating over times. The start date, so let's start today, and the description, this is up to you to for your own reference. And once we are done, just click on new, add new campaign button here. Okay, it has been successfully added. Now I'm going to add, I've already created 2 sample pages for you to see later on. I will upload these 2 pages to the website here. These are the 2 pages on my desktop, so I upload them. Okay, so this is the link for us to click and test. So this will be the ad tracking link for this campaign. So I right click and I click on new tab, open a new tab. There you go, you can see this is the page which I have just uploaded. So this is the purchase. So basically this will be your own sales letter where you sell your product. So you want to test whether, let's say if you have 2 ads, or if you have, sorry, if you have 2 sales pages with different kind of variations of headline or images, just want to test which one converts better. So you will use this kind of ad tracking script to test your ads, and to test your conversions.